Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's lovely to have your company. Just going to do a haul from Ikea that I've been meaning to do for about a week now. I needed to go to Ikea to get some shopping for the kitchen. While I was there, I picked up a few other things. The first thing that I got was this bucket here. And it's a 3-gallon bucket. This is what it's called. My kitchen's rectangle, and this is the type of size and shape that I can manage to keep in my kitchen. It's very small, my kitchen. So this will be my recycle bin, and I'm going to get the next size up for perhaps the dustbin. The reason why I actually went to Ikea is because I needed a new pot. This pot I like to cook my rice in. This is the Hemlagad. Can you see that? I'm hoping that you can see that. There you go. Right, next thing is, because this is mainly a kitchen haul, and I really needed this colander. I do have a big round plastic one, but I thought the stainless steel would be much better, and this is so deep, and it's also a space saver as well, because the one that I've got, it takes up a lot of space, where this one is a bit more compact. I'll let you know what the product number is. It's 900 11829. Doesn't have a name on there. I also got some of these plastic containers. I mainly cook for, you know, a day or two, and I like to have the container so I can put the food in, whether to keep it in the fridge or to freeze it. And the product number for these are 60452174. While I was there, I got this griddle, and this is, oh, it's the same name as the pot, the Hemlagad. It's a griddle, and I've got a really big frying pan that it's time to chuck out now. I also got these freezer bags because, as I said, I like to cook and put away, store in the freezer or in the fridge. This one is the 6-litre bags, and it's called the Istad. Next size down are these, and these are 2.5 litres bags. And the next size down are these ones. They're all the Istad range, and this one is the 1 litre freezer bags, because when I cook I like to have bags so I can put stuff in. If I do stir fries and stuff like that, I like to put my food in these bags and put them in the freezer or the fridge for the next day. Now this is the overmat. I wanted to try this silicone lid. I think this will fit on my Pyrex roasting dish, so I thought I would try one of these, the silicone. And I also got the overmat, the little baby ones that can go over cups and glasses, and I think a jug as well. So I was happy to get those. I also got a serviette holder, and this is the Grezia, or the Grezia, as you can see there. I've got some serviettes as well, but this is really for my crafting. This isn't really for the kitchenware. I really like the pattern on there, and it's the Torast. Can you see that? Torast, yeah. I've got these funnels for the kitchen particularly because I needed them. I do have funnels for like my soap powders and when I'm using my Epsom salts to mix with my essential oils and stuff. These are so handy and I'm glad I picked these up. Oh, sorry. Funnels are... The product number is 7015317 and these are the measuring little spoons because I want to start doing a bit of baking. I've got a bread maker that was given to me 2 Christmases ago and I've not used it before, and I'm not sort of a fan of bread, but I would like to experiment with it and use it maybe, you know, to do the bread mixture, but do nuts and sultanas in my bread. So I really want to try my hand at a bit of baking. Wish me luck with that. I got a garlic squeezer as well. And oh, let's see, the product number for this is 603-24723 for these. And the garlic squeezer is, product number is 000-89163. I needed one of those because I've got one, but wear and tear now. It's at the end of its tether. And I've got spatula. Want a bit more quiet utensils for the kitchen. And this is the... Let's see if you can see that. Let's have a look. You see that? There you go. That's the spatula. And also I got this one. Isn't that lovely? I love it. And it's the same make. And another thing I wanted to go to Ikea for was this kitchen knife. I needed one, and that's to cut up all the small vegetables, because the one I have, it's old now. I got this. It looks like a lid, but it's not. It's to catch the water in the... Ikea sells those stainless steel canisters that you can, when you're washing up, you can put your utensils in there, but then you can use it for all other types of stuff as well. It's not specifically for, you know, your utensils when you're washing up, but it fits right into here. And I will put a picture at the top of, you know, the screen for you to see the canister that I'm talking about. These I really needed. Salt and pepper grinders. I was looking on Amazon for some the other day and I just happened to see them in Ikea when I went on the day. And this is, sorry about that, let's just see if you can, see if I can, there you go, that's the name of the salt and pepper. Really happy to have got these. Another thing is I got these, and these are for my sunflower oil and my olive oil when I'm cooking. I cook with sunflower oil and I do dabble in a bit of olive oil as well. I got this bottle for my coconut water, so I can just pour it out of the carton and leave it in the fridge. And the product number for this is 902-79719. Really lovely. I love that. I like to see things through glass. I do. I got these rugs as well, and I'm going to use one for my puppy's crate because he's using one of the other ones that I got. I've got one that I used to use in my bathroom, and when I got my puppy I decided to put it in his crate, and it's just beautiful. It's so lovely. I'm so glad that Ikea still sells them, because the one that I got it quite a few years back, and I'm so glad to see that they're still selling them. They're obviously good sellers. They didn't have the colour that I have got, but this is a nice sort of neutral color. So one is for puppy's crate, and this one is for the bathroom. I do like the neutral colors, so I've got two of those. And last but not least, I've got the new roasting pans. The new roasting pans. And this one is the product number for this is 900 99054. So that's the small one, and then I got the big one. Got the big one, and that's for all the big roasting. And the product number for this is 100 99053. So I was glad I got these. Really glad. So that is my Ikea haul. It was a very big haul. I also got 6 wine glasses as well. I've got them down the back, so I didn't want to bring them because I've settled them because they're glass. I don't want them, you know, breaking or anything. But that's it. That's my Ikea haul, and I'm really happy with my haul because there is nothing here that I didn't need. Nothing at all. I'll be getting rid of my old roasting pans in the oven, and these will be replaced. They will be replaced with these. So there's nothing here that I didn't need, and I'm really glad about that. My daughter came with me to do my shop because I do suffer with agoraphobia, and I find it really difficult to leave the house. So I was really grateful for her to accompany me to Ikea so I can do my shop. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. Please do check out the other videos that I have on my channel. It will really help my channel to grow if you would do that for me. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.